In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace an exhaust cam position sensor on a 1.5 Chevy Malibu, located on the exhaust port side of the valve cover. To remove that engine cover, you got to take a T30 and remove this little mounting bolt. And once that's out of the way, remove the oil filler cap. I'm going to put that back on just so nothing falls in. Then grab the plastic cover and pull up. Has this insulation. Make sure you take that one too. There we go. I'm going to put that oil cap back on because I don't like the engine being open like that. Now set this aside. So the cam position sensor for the exhaust port, which is the manifolds right here, is right here located on the top of that valve cover. So we're going to take our connector off, use a screwdriver, and take off that little lock tab. Just lift it up. So now that we have our lock tab up, push on the black tab and lift up. Set the harness aside so it doesn't get in the way. Now with a 10mm socket, we're going to remove that mounting bolt. I'm going to reuse it, so set it aside. Now I'm going to take a screwdriver. You can use a pair of pliers as long as you don't ruin anything. Just get underneath a little bit, wiggle it back and forth, and lift it up. Now with the new sensor, I like to put a little dab of clean oil on there, so I just grab some like 5W20. It doesn't matter. Try not to use a paste or anything. Just get some lubricant on there, and then line her up. We're just going to kind of wiggle it back and forth, and it pops right into place. We'll get that mounting screw. Now if you can feather the power, take your 10mm socket and just bottom it out. Because the torque spec is only 89 inch-pounds, so we don't want to over tighten it, and we'll just snug that right up. 89 inch-pounds. Now we can take our connector, so you can snap it back down till it clicks. And our red tip fell off, so I'm just going to put the lock pin straight down in there. Take a little screwdriver and lock it in. We can put our engine cover back on, but first don't forget to disconnect that oil fill cap. Take it out of the way. Now the insulation is kind of messed up on ours. It came unglued, so I'm going to place that down first, so that way I can confirm it's going to go right in the spot it needs to go in. It is important, so make sure you put that back on. Now we'll take the cover. You feel it go over that little rubber bushing. Take our oil cover cap, put that back on. And we'll get our mounting bolt right there. That's got the T30 head on it. Line it up. Start that by hand. Tighten that down. Good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.